Hello children, welcome back to your grammar session. Chapter 3, Verbs Expressing the Past. So today we are going to revise past tense. As you know, what is past tense? The action that happens in the past time is past tense, and they also take four principal forms, that is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So first of all, let me tell you about the simple past. The formation of simple past is subject plus date plus verb, and verb is the first form of the verb. For example, I practice sitar, we practice sitar, he practice sitar, etc. And where we have to use simple past tense to express an action happened in the past. For example, India got independence in 1947. Or to express the habitual action in the past. For example, every day my grandmother read the Gita. Here it means used to read. So children, let's start doing exercises. Children, let's start exercise 2. Rewrite the following phrases using the simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. The first sentence is an interrogative. So here we have to add did. Did you excel as a child also? A small child. Ask will become asked in simple past. Einstein, the eminent scientist. No. Say will become said. Einstein with a smile. When I. Be form of simple past is was here along with I. I was a child. My teacher. Think will become thought. That I. Again we have to use was. A dullard. Let me tell you the meaning of dullard. It is foolish. A slow learner or a foolish or duffer we can say. They not encourage. Not encourage will become did not encourage me. On the contrary, one of them once remarked will become remarked that I would not be able to learn mathematics for the next 7 lives. A classmate wrote. Write will become wrote. V2. The word dunce. Dunce means again stupid or the foolish person. On my back. But these things not upset me will become did not upset me. May I ask what keep will become kept. You motivated. Somebody in the audience quip will become quipped in. The sight of my goal. Einstein promptly. Reply will become replied. You see, I never lose will become lost. Sight of my goal. I know will become knew. What I wanted. Want will become wanted. To achieve in life, and I continue will become continued. To work for it with patience and perseverance. Let's do exercise 3. The passage below describes a strange dream you had last night. Rewrite the passage putting the verbs in the correct form of the past tense. Either simple past or past continuous. So we should know what is past continuous. Children, the formation of past continuous tense is subject plus was in singular and were in plural plus verb plus ing. And the uses of past continuous tense are to denote an action which was in progress at the past time. For example, a number of boys were writing their answers then. And it is often used together with the simple tense to show that one action was going on while the other took place. When the bell rang, the teacher was speaking to the principal. So in this sentence, first sentence is in the action simple past and second action is past progressive or the past continuous. Progressive means continuous. So let's do this exercise. It be. The be form of past will be was. It was just past midnight. The train was running fast but smoothly. It had left Kanpur behind and was heading towards Patna. Most of the passengers were sleeping. An elderly gentleman was telling the beads of mumble a prayer. So we have seen an elderly gentleman was telling the beads and mumbling a prayer. A young lady was reading. Was will be here. A young lady was reading a novel. I mentally go. So here it will be, I was mentally going over the events of the day when I suddenly heard a loud blast. The train shake will become shook violently but did not get derailed. It was a real narrow escape. Children, let's do exercise 7. Rewrite the following sentences using the simple past or the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So about the simple past, I have told you in the beginning of this video, and regarding the present perfect tense, I had told you about all the present tenses in my previous video of revision. So let's do the exercise. Number 1 is, the air hostess locked the doors of the plane. It is soon going to take off. So here it will become, has locked, the air hostess has locked the doors of the plane, and it is soon going to take off. Number 2 is, so you understand will become, you have understood the lesson I bring. It will become, I have brought some comprehension questions for you to answer. I'm sure you will find them quite easy. Say the teacher. Say will become said. Said the teacher. I'm sorry, I not see. So it will become, I have not seen your water bottle. Perhaps you leave. It will become left. So perhaps you left it in the playground. When you last drink. So it will become, when did you last drink? As we know, along with did, we have always used the first form of the verb. So it will be, when you last, or when did you last drink. So water from it. When we have to use the be form. So it will be was. When I was a child, my father took. Take will become took in simple past. That is the second form of the verb. My father took me to visit almost all the historical places of Delhi, but I not say. It will become, have not seen. I have not seen the Red Fort yet. A customer come. It will become came. A customer came to the shop early in the morning, and buy will become bought, and bought 4 loaves of bread. Your performance in most of the subjects is good, but why you secure? So why you secure, it will become, why have you secured poor grades in science? And the last one, that is 7. Doctor, I'm sorry for disturbing you so early in the morning. My father suddenly slipped. So it will become, my father has suddenly slipped in the bathroom and I'm afraid he hurt his right leg. So it will become, he has hurt his right leg. Let's do exercise 8. Rewrite the following passages using the simple past or the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Children, we are knowing about the simple past, but let's know about the past perfect tense. So the formation of past perfect tense is subject plus along with all the subjects, either they are singular or plural, and plus third form of the verb. As I had told you, in all the perfect tenses, whether they are present, past or future, we should use third form of the verb, that is also known as past participle form of the verb. For example, with the personal pronouns, we should use I had practiced sitar, he had practiced sitar, etc. And the usage of past perfect tense, they are in different forms, like to refer to the earlier of 2 past actions. For example, when I reached the station, the train had left. When 2 actions are given, the first should be written in past perfect tense and the later action should be in simple past tense. To denote an unfulfilled wish relating to the past. For example, I wish I had worked harder. It is used with words like till, before, since, already. For example, he had not left for Delhi till 1945. We had already taken our breakfast. So now let's do the exercise. Rewrite the following passages using the simple past or past perfect tense of the verbs given in brackets. Professor Amartya Sen, who when is given here, so it will become 1. Professor Amartya Sen, who won the Nobel Prize for Economic Science in 1998, not initially want, it will become had not initially wanted to become an economist. He want, it will become wanted. He wanted to become a Sanskrit scholar or a mathematician. But when he joined, it will become joined the Presidency College in Kolkata for higher studies. He decide, it will become decided. He decided to study economics as a boy of 10. He see is given here, so it will become he had seen a large number of people dying during the Bengal famine, and this memory drive will become drove him to understand the causes of poverty and starvation. Professor Sen is closely related to education. He once say will become said that he was born on campus, and it appear will become appeared to him that he always lived will become had always lived on one campus or another.